Hey there, science fans! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of pH. What is pH? Well, it's like a secret code that tells us how acidic or basic a solution is. From the orange juice you drink to the soap you use, pH plays a crucial role in our daily lives. Think of it this way, pH measures the concentration of tiny hydrogen ions, H+, in a solution. The more H+ ions, the more acidic the solution. Fewer H+ ions mean a more basic or alkaline solution. Understanding pH is like having a superpower. It helps us determine the properties of substances and how they might react, so put on your thinking caps and let's explore the amazing world of pH together. Picture a rainbow, but instead of colors, it's filled with numbers from 0 to 14. That's the pH scale. It's our handy-dandy tool for measuring acidity and alkalinity. At one end of the spectrum, we have 0, representing the most acidic substances like battery acid. Yikes! At the other end we have 14, representing the most basic substances like drain cleaner. Double yikes! Right in the middle at pH 7 we find neutral substances like pure water. They're not too acidic or basic, just right. As we move along the pH scale, each number represents a tenfold change in acidity or alkalinity. For instance, a solution with a pH of 3 is 10 times more acidic than a solution with a pH of 4. That's a big difference. Now for the math. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. The pH formula is simply pH equals minus log of H+. Let's break it down. The pH stands for potential of hydrogen. The negative sign means we're taking the opposite of the logarithm, and H+ represents the concentration of hydrogen ions in moles per liter. A logarithm is just a fancy way of expressing a number as a power of 10. For example, the logarithm of 100 is 2 because 10 to the power of 2 equals 100. So to calculate pH, we take the logarithm of the hydrogen ion concentration and multiply it by -1. Simple, right? Don't worry if you don't have a calculator handy. There are online pH calculators and conversion tables that can do the math for you. Phew! Let's see how pH calculation works in real life. Imagine you're in a lab and you need to find the pH of a solution with a hydrogen ion concentration of 0.001 moles per liter. First, plug the value into the pH formula. pH equals minus log of 0.001. Next, calculate the logarithm of 0.001, which is -3. Finally, multiply -3 by -1 to get a pH of 3. That means our solution is acidic. But pH isn't just for scientists in labs, it's all around us. For example, the pH of lemon juice is around 2, making it quite acidic. That's why it makes your mouth pucker. On the other hand, baking soda has a pH of around 9, making it slightly basic. This is why it's often used to neutralize acidic odors. Understanding pH helps us make informed decisions in our daily lives, from choosing the right skincare products to maintaining a healthy aquarium. It's a fundamental concept that connects us to the fascinating world of chemistry.